Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 seniors suffers from impacted earwax, which can lead to hearing loss, dizziness, and even social withdrawal? Most don't even realize earwax could be the culprit. Hi there! In today's video, we're diving into a topic that often goes unnoticed: safe earwax removal for seniors. With age, earwax can become drier and harder, making gentle, safe removal more important than ever. As we age, our ears produce less natural oil, which can cause earwax to become harder and more difficult to expel naturally. Seniors often face challenges like hearing difficulties, discomfort, or even infections due to wax buildup. Unfortunately, many turn to cotton swabs or other sharp objects, methods that can actually push wax deeper or damage the ear canal. This makes safe practices absolutely essential. There are several safe and gentle ways to remove earwax at home. Saline solution or mineral oil drops can soften the wax over time. Over-the-counter ear drops are another gentle method, helping to break down hard wax. A warm water rinse, often using a bulb syringe, can help flush out loosened wax, but it must be done carefully. These methods are generally effective, but patience and consistency are key. The most recommended method? Using ear drops specifically designed for wax removal, like carbamide peroxide-based drops, followed by a warm water rinse. Here are a few tips. Heavy checkmark. Lie on your side when applying drops for better absorption. Heavy checkmark. Let the drops sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Heavy checkmark. Rinse gently with warm water after a few days if the wax is softened. Heavy checkmark. Always dry your ears afterward to avoid moisture buildup. And of course, if you're unsure or have existing ear conditions, consult your doctor before trying any method. To recap, safe earwax removal for seniors is crucial to maintaining hearing and comfort. Avoid cotton swabs and opt for gentle methods like ear drops or saline solutions. Have you or a loved one tried any of these methods? Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more senior health tips. Your ears will thank you.